Good morning, student. Today we will start our new topic. It is of mutation. Okay, what is mutation? Mutation is a sudden change in genetic makeup. Means genetic makeup is made up of gene as well as chromosomes. Clear? So, if any change occur in a sudden inheritable discontinuous variation which appear in an organism due to permanent change in their genotype. If any kind of changes occur in genotype by any mean, that is known as mutation. Clear? जीनोटाइप में किसी भी तरीके का जो चेंज होता है दैट इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ म्यूटेशन एंड agent which cause mutation that is known as the mutagen. Clear? Mutagens are the agents because of them only mutation can take place. Okay, so first time mutation was introduced by Hugo de Varis in 1901. Clear? So first time who discovered or who introduced the term mutation? Hugo de Varis, and he did his experiment on evening primrose. Okay, in evening primrose he has done his experiment. Clear? And the botanical name of evening primrose is Oenothera lamarckiana. What is the botanical name? It's of Oenothera lamarckiana. So that is the scientific name of evening primrose or Oenothera lamarckiana. Clear? So here first I'll tell you what are the main type of mutations. Clear? Basically mutations are of two type. First one is chromosomal mutation or chromosomal aberration, or second is of gene mutation and point mutation. Clear? Before going on this topic, first I would like to explain one more important thing. It's related with the mutagens. Mutagens are of two types. Okay, so first one type of mutagen is chemical mutagen. First one type of mutagen is chemical mutagen. Second type is of physical or radiation. First we will discuss about the chemical mutagen. Chemical mutagens are three types. First one is base analogs. Okay, so basically this type of chemical mutagen work on nitrogen containing bases. Clear? Nitrogen base, basically it works on them. So first one is of example is 5-bromouracil. Okay, and second one type of base analog is 5-iodouracil. Clear? So 5-bromouracil work on uracil and 5-iodouracil work on second one is 5-iodouracil work on thymine also. Okay, and second type of chemical mutagens are example I am telling you alkylating agents. Clear? Alkylating agents. Or third one type is of acridine dyes. They all work on as a chemical mutagen. They can induce, okay, basically in experiment work they can induce by which mutation can take place in chromosome or in gene. Are you getting my point? What is the mean of these mutagens? ये म्यूटाजन कुछ ऐसे केमिकल हैं जो म्यूटेशन की प्रोसेस को करते हैं. और म्यूटेशन इज़ नॉट ओनली अ बैड प्रोसेस फॉर इन द सर्च ऑफ इन द एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑफ डिफरेंट वेराइटीज़. नई वेराइटी को बनाने के लिए भी म्यूटेशन की प्रोसेस एक्सपेरिमेंट के फॉर्म में की जाती है. क्लियर? एंड दीज एजेंट्स आर वेरी हेल्पफुल इन this type of activity. Clear? Second type of mutagens are physical or radiation. Clear? Physical or radiation. This is the second type of mutagens. They are also two types. First one is ionizing radiations. Ionizing radiations are X-ray, beta ray, gamma ray. These type of rays are ionizing radiation. X-ray, alpha, beta, gamma, these are the rays. और इन rays के throughs भी क्या होता है? म्यूटेशन होता है। इन रेस के थ्रू भी क्या होता है, म्यूटेशन होने की वजह से चेंजेस आ जाते हैं जीन और क्रोमोसोम में। सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ फिजिकल म्यूटेशंस आर नॉन आयोनाइजिंग लाइक यूवी रेज. Because of UV rays also a sudden change can be takes place in genetic in the genotype. Okay, so it's about the mutagen. Mutagens are two types, chemical and physical, which we had discussed now. Okay, now the second part of this is a types of mutation. So today we will discuss about the chromosomal mutation or chromosomal aberration. Basically, what is the chromosomal mutation? Chromosomal mutation means when any kind of changes occur in the morphology of chromosome, clear, or which result in change of number of sequence of gene without change in ploidy. Ploidy means without changing the set of or without changing in the numbers of. Okay, so what I want to tell you about the chromosomal mutation. Basically, chromosomal mutation is of two types. First one is known as the morphological chromosome mutation. Means morphological, or you can see change in chromosome structure, mean that when morphologically if any changes takes place in क्रोमोसोम की मॉर्फोलॉजी और क्रोमोसोम के स्ट्रक्चर में when any kind of change takes place, that is known as the change in chromosome structure or morphological mutation. What is the first type of morphological mutation? I'll explain it here. Okay, you can see here first one type of chromosomal morphological mutation is, first you can see deletion. Clear? Suppose it is a only one chromosome I am showing here. Okay, one chromosome, you can see that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, one sequence of chromosome. Clear? When in this chromosome, clear, any gene or any part is deleted. Clear? You can see there A, B, C, D. So D is colored as black. So D gets to be deleted from the sequence. Clear? अगर D part क्रोमोसोम के उस जीन का पार्ट अगर डिलीट हो जाता है, then it's also show a sudden change in genotype. Clear? So deletion can be of two types. You can see that terminal means टर्मिनस से अगर कोई पार्ट डिलीट हो जाए, if it deleted from the terminal region, that time it's known as a terminal chromosomal aberration, टर्मिनल क्रोमोसोमल मॉर्फोलॉजिकल चेंज. और इंटरस्टिशियल मीन्स कहीं जैसे डी कट हो गया, मीन्स फ्रॉम द मिडिल. इफ इट लॉस एनी काइंड ऑफ जीन फ्रॉम टर्मिनल और इंटरस्टिशियल, डिलीट जीन आई एम टेलिंग यू, दैट इज नोन एज द डिलीशन प्रोसेस. क्रोमोसोम के स्ट्रक्चर में चेंज आ गया. क्लियर? सो सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ यू कैन सी डुप्लीकेशन, व्हेन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ वन जीन more that once in a haploid complement, mean you can see here that one more gene is there, same gene available था और उसी का जैसा दूसरा जीन बन गया उसी में. Clear? So that is known as the duplication. You can see here in duplication BC. So BC number, BC gene gets to be duplicated here. So that is known as the duplication type of morphological mutation in chromosome. Second is of inversion. In inversion you can see a segment of chromosome A, B, C, D, a segment of chromosome you can see B, C, D, it gets to be inverted, means it just splits up in 180 degree angle. Clear? You can see that 180 degree angle, B, C, D 180 degree घूम गए. That time you can see that a section of chromosome becomes changed after rotation, and this rotation is it just gets to through 180 degree. Next type of is you can see that translocation. If you observe in above all I have taken only one chromosome, but here I am taking the homologous pair of chromosome because in this it's showing the translocation process in fourth stage. Okay, in fourth stage you can see that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Clear? So here you can see that the AB part is translocated by M and O part. So in this case, in the final case you can see AB takes translocated from above chromosome to down chromosome, and M and O is translocated from lower chromosome to upper chromosome. Is it visible? Yes. So here you can see it is a kind of rearrangement in which a block of gene from one chromosome are transferred to other non-homologous chromosome. ये non-homologous chromosomes के बीच में interchange हो रहा है. Okay. So it's about the fourth type. You, in all the 4 cases you can observe that the morphologically chromosome gets to be changed. Okay, morphological changes you can see in these 4 parts. Okay, so it's about the change in chromosome structure. Now I am going to tell you about the change in chromosome number. It is called heteroploidy. You can see here, change in chromosome number. Earlier what has explained, change in the morphology of chromosome. Okay, so here you can see that a simple example I am telling you. If half number of chromosomes are present, that is known as the haploid. If double number of chromosomes are present, is known as the diploid. If 3n set of chromosomes are present, that is known as the triploid. If more than 3n present, that time it's known as the polyploid. Okay, अगर आधा नंबर सेट क्रोमोसोम होता है, दैट इज हैप्लॉइड, डबल, डिप्लॉइड, ट्रिपल, triploid. More than triploid is known as the polyploid. Okay, so here you can see that change in set of chromosome. Clear, it's clearly written here, change in set of chromosome is known as the polyploid. That is the simple, you can see that monoploidy or haploidy organism contains only one set of chromosome. अगर एक set chromosome का होता है, in our case 23 pair of chromosomes होते हैं. Okay, if 23 are present, that time is known as the haploid. If 46 is present, it means that the diploid. Okay, so here in double fertilization 3n type of endosperm is present, so that condition in endosperm, which is condition is there, triploid. Okay, so here you can see that polyploidy is divided into 2 broad categories, that is known as the euploidy and aneuploidy. Okay, aneuploidy we will discuss later on. First we will discuss about the allopolyploidy or autopolyploidy. Clear? Allopolyploidy, in this you can understand that the in which non-homologous, it takes place, polyploidy occurs in non-homologous set of chromosomes in 2 different species. It's about the alloploidy or autopolyploidy, means that all the chromosomes are homologous, or this process autopolyploidy is very important in case of plants. Clear? Plants में जब number of chromosome के सेट बढ़ते हैं, that time different varieties बनती हैं. Okay, so वो varieties को बनाने के लिए polyploidy बहुत ज़रूरी है. Which wheat we are using nowadays? This wheat is also polyploid plant. Clear? वो ट्रिटिकम ड्यूरम और ट्रिटिकम वल्गैरी डिफरेंट वेराइटीज़ हैं, उनको ओल्ड व्हीट प्लांट और न्यू व्हीट प्लांट उनकी वजह से बनता है. लाइक कॉटन ऑल्सो, ओल्ड कॉटन एंड न्यू कॉटन, उनकी वेराइटी से जो प्रेजेंट कॉटन हम यूज़ करते हैं, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ पॉलीप्लॉइड ब्रांड. क्लियर? पॉलीप्लॉइड plant. So wheat also polyploid plant. So like this many plants are there, different varieties are there which generated by this polyploidy method. और polyploidy experimentally plants में की जाती है. Clear? To get the new varieties. And one important chemical we are using for this purpose, and this chemical is known as the colchicine. Okay, so this chemical we are using. Now we will discuss about aneuploidy. Just remember one thing, euploidy is related with the set of chromosome, but aneuploidy deals with the number of chromosome, like plus minus 1, plus minus 2. Are you getting my point? So plus minus 1, plus minus 2, number of chromosomes, or how many number will do. So aneuploidy is also of 2 types, hyperploids or hypopolyploids. Clear? Hyperpolyploids means if suppose 2n number of sets are present, if one is deleted from it. Clear? So if one is not present, this condition is known as the monosome. About hyperploids, again I am going to explain you. First one is hyperploids, second one is hypoploids. Hyperploids means, hyper means addition, one more, addition. Clear? And hypo means less, means minus. Clear? Remember one thing. Hyper means ज़्यादा, hypo means कम. Clear? So hyper when it gets to be more when adding process is there. So you can see in trisomic condition 2n always present. If one chromosome is added in it, that is known as the trisomic condition. Clear? If one addition of chromosome is there, that is known as a double trisomic. And if two chromosome adds up, that time it's known as the tetrasomic. So these are the aneuploidy method, or that is known as the hyperploids. About the hypoploids, when number of chromosomes is deleted or it's not present. Clear? That is known as, if one set is 2n minus 1 condition is there, it is known as the monosomic. Okay, 2n minus 1 condition is there, that is known as the double monosomic. Or if 2n minus 2 condition is there, that is known as the newlysomic. In newlysomic, no chromosome is present. Clear? Because 2n is present, 2n is minus by this, means 2 chromosomes are, so that condition is known as the newlysomic. Okay, so it's about the chromosome and mutation. Chromosomal mutation has discussed. Gene mutation we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, thank you children.